Hello guys, in this video we will see how to use Counta function. So by definition, Counta function returns the number of known blank entries in that range. That range means the range that we have selected. First of all, we'll see count function. Count function works very well when it comes to numeric entries, but when we provide string values or text values, it fails to work. In this case, Counta function is used. So it has provided us the number of entries that were made in case, and yes, it has to be known blank entries in that range. In case we delete a few entries, you can see the number getting updated. So that's it from my side guys for this video. I hope you liked it. Please share and subscribe to our channel.